I'm now able to spend time with my family more. I'm able to function better. I feel more relaxed, not as stressed out. She taught me how to do techniques that calm my nervous system instead of excite it. So without Dr. Barrett, I don't know, I would still be suffering bi-weekly or more with these terrible migraines. Hi, my name is Kimberly Jones. I am from Knoxville, Tennessee, and I work as a radiologic technologist, and also I'm in the Air National Guard, so I'm in the military as well. Before working with Dr. Barrett, my life was a little bit difficult. I struggled a lot with having migraines. I never knew when a migraine was going to hit. What made me say yes to the migraine relief code was the fact that Dr. Barrett dives a little bit deeper into everything. She doesn't just prescribe you medication, she gets to the root cause. And that was one of the things that drew me to that. If there was something that prevented me from getting started, I would say it was probably that it was cost is also a factor, but when you're feeling so bad, you're willing to pay what it takes to get better. The biggest thing for me was that it was online. She has it broken down into week by week segments. So you can actually go back and look at everything. So in some ways that was more positive because I could go back and if I didn't get something or she had recordings, I could go back and look at that. So the things that I've tried in the past that didn't work for me was pretty much everything. I went and saw every doctor known to man to try to figure out what was wrong with me. Actually, the pain that I have is behind my eyes. And so I did not know that this was a migraine at first. I thought I had eye issues. So I saw an eye doctor. I saw an allergist. I had tried everything. And what surprised me the most about working with Dr. Barrett was the fact that she has everything laid out from your diet to your workouts to your lab results to genetics. She goes really holistic and tries to figure out what the biggest cause of it all is. And it's so multifactorial. There's so many things that could be causing it. So what I'm doing now that I wasn't doing before the migraine relief code is I have learned to kind of slow down. She does breathing exercises and she does yoga with you every week. So getting my stress under control was a huge thing that I did not have control of before. I would recommend the migraine relief code just because Dr. Barrett works on healing you from your gut all the way up to your head because they're related. If you want to truly heal your body and want to do it naturally, she's the way to go. And the migraine relief code really helps with that. Being healthy is important for me because I need to show up for my children. I've got a 12-year-old daughter and a 10-year-old son. I just want to be a present mother. I don't want to be stuck in my room throwing up all day because I'm in pain. So to me, there is nothing greater than having your health. And if you don't have your health, you literally have nothing. This program was different than what I've done before because it takes a holistic approach to healing you. What I've done before is just take medication and it helps for the day or maybe help for the next day, but it doesn't help long term. Others noticed a change, especially my husband. There were times where I almost had to go to the ER to get pain relief because I couldn't get it under control. So going from having, 2 migraines a week to having one a month or less is anybody that's had a migraine will understand what a big deal that is.